Welcome, I'm SD Kelly. You may remember this project from a few weeks ago. I made this shortly after Christmas of 2018, but now it's time to transition it into a Valentine's Day project. I do that by changing out the magnets that I make. I'm taking some cork board left over from a previous project, and I'm adding these foam letters, XOXO. This will actually be the back side where the magnet goes, but no matter which way you turn these letters, they'll always face the right way. And same for the heart shapes. I cut out as much as I could with scissors. Then I went back with an X-Acto knife and cleaned it up a bit. I used just an ordinary nail file to smooth out the edges. I'm using this scrap piece of magnet that recently became available. Of course, you can always get magnet sheets or different magnetic type of backings at the craft store or Walmart. But this recently became available, so I'm not going to let it go to waste. And I'm just using some tacky glue to adhere these corkboard pieces with the foam on the back to the magnet. Once it sets, I go ahead and cut them out again in the same manner that I did with the foam board on the cork board. This part proved to be a little bit tedious, so I probably won't repeat this part of the craft. I'll find an alternative way to do my letters from now on. But I started it, so I'm going to finish it. I found myself having to reattach the magnet of one of the letters. It was because of all the cutting back and forth that pushed the magnet off of the piece. So I just glued it back on and rolled on with it. I decided to wrap twine around the pieces to give it a more finished look. Now I did create some more hearts, but I painted them before putting the twine around them. I went back and painted these later when I changed my mind about them, but I would suggest painting them first. So I painted these with some paint markers and some Sharpie pens. And they kind of have a cute rustic farmhouse handmade look about them. With the X's and O's, I just painted them with some craft paint and a makeup sponge. I painted the top and the sides. Then later, I added some twine on top instead of on the side to make the letters stand out a bit better. To clean up the back, I just took some rubbing alcohol on a cotton ball, and I got the craft paint, which came right off the magnet right away. You can also use fingernail polish remover for this. Same functional use, but different look. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. Once again, I am SD Kelly, and I hope you enjoyed this video and give it a thumbs up. Also, I hope you will subscribe. I thank you for watching, and bye for now.